Yo guys, what up? Me Patrick LeVar, just on my way from actually on my way to work. Just got to work, snapped off a couple of shots using the Fimo app. I was using the Kodo 400, which is their version of Kodak's 400 Ultrmax. Again, I really want to shoot film, can't afford a film camera, can't afford film, can't afford developing. This is the next best thing. Take a look at a couple of these shots here. If you guys want to see more from this, let me know. Smash that like button. Comment down below if there's some other film stocks from the Fimo app you want me to shoot, and hit that subscribe button. Peace. The music in this video was provided by Artlist. Take a look down in the description. I have a link that you can use to get 2 additional free months added to your subscription.